me show you some carb stuff. So you got the velocity stacks, obviously. This is one of two vents here. There's one on the other side that's identical to it. You can tell it's the vent, or one of the two vents, because it goes back and forth, just like this. The one on the other side does the same thing. It's like this weird rotating plastic thing. Alright, the other vent is that T back there. Those you also have to just let vent out into the atmosphere. So you can put a filter or a line on this one here, or you can just do what I've done, which is just let it be. This one, I just left the line on back here, this guy here. And if I were to pull that out, it's like just 2 inches longer and doesn't have a filter on it or anything. There's nothing really going on there. This is a coolant hose that goes to the engine, obviously. And then up to there. This is the choke. These two guys here. You don't really ever have to mess with that. And it's a bitch. If you ever break anything, you have to get the entire thing replaced, I'm pretty sure. So don't fuck with that. And then the gas line, you can tell because it has, fuck, that pipe is hot. It's got a spring on it right there that protects the gas line. And there's two, one for each carb, that goes into a T. You can sort of see the T there. The fucking coolant line's in the way. But anyway, the T's right below the filter. There's like 2 inches of line, then it goes into the T. Splits off to each carb. So that's at a bare minimum what you need, which is nice because it really like cleans everything up there. Da-da-da.